Hi witches! Today we're going to be talking all about the feline-friendly herb catnip. Now I can't wait to give Jack, our cat, some of this catnip this summer, but always be sure when you're giving this plant to your pets that you kind of monitor them to make sure they don't hurt themselves or that they aren't freaking out. So catnip goes by a couple other names. It's also called just cat, which is kind of funny. Catmint, catnip, cattrup, catswort, field balm, nipetta, and nip. So yeah, I don't recommend ingesting this necessarily as a tea or anything. I have heard that it can cause some stomach issues. So if you're trying to connect with your cat, definitely just give the cat the catnip. Don't ingest a whole lot of it, and I wouldn't recommend smoking it yourself, if you're making an herbal blend, a smoking blend, which I can also talk about. I will be talking about in a week's time basically. But anyway, the planet that this plant is ruled by is Venus. The element is water, which again, I really understand. I don't know, every time I say the element and I think about the plant, I'm like, yeah, that's right. The deity that it is associated with is Bast. The powers are cat magic, love, beauty, and happiness, which if you know anything about Bast, sometimes called Bastet, that's basically everything she rules over. She is a protective goddess, she's a fierce goddess, but she's also a loving goddess, and I would love to talk a little bit more about how I've been working with her. If you guys are interested, just let me know, because I don't want to talk about stuff people aren't interested in. Some magical uses are creating a bond between you and your pet cat or your familiar. It can be put in love sachets in conjunction with rose petals, and that really just creates a strong love sachet for attracting love to you. It's used in friendship magic. If grown in or near the home, it attracts good spirit and good luck. It also is associated with beauty and happiness rituals, and the large leaves can be and were traditionally pressed and used as bookmarks in magical texts, so grimoires or books of shadows, just to attract that good luck. If you're like me and work with Bastet, catnip is kind of a must grow or must have herb in my opinion. It's one of the main reasons I am growing it, besides the fact that I recently got a cat. Well, recently is kind of figurative. It's been within the last year. It's a great offering to this goddess and just a really great herb for connecting with her and the cat. It's just, there's a lot of that feline energy with it because of the name and also because of how they interact with it. So it's just great. But yeah, if you guys are growing catnip, if you have any cats, let me know. If you have pictures of your cats that you want to show me, I would love to see them because I love cats and they're really cute and I just love them. So yeah, tomorrow we're gonna have our first garden update. I'm really excited to show you guys. And this weekend we're gonna be talking about some herbal sachet spells. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for sticking with me this week. I'll see you guys later. Bye.